Why MongoDB is important? Have listed a few important points. The first one is it's huge and famous client list. You can see top companies over here. This is the Wikipedia page for MongoDB. You can see the production deployments for famous companies. Adobe is using it, Craigslist is using it, eBay is using it, MetLife is using. Similarly, visit the page mentioning about who uses MongoDB in the MongoDB website. You can select by industry or about the global regions. There are many companies listed over here, well-known companies. The second most important thing is DB Engine's ranking. MongoDB is ranked at 4. This is very notable for a database which is just 7 years old, and MongoDB is above Postgres and DB2. This is the DB Engine's ranking page. You can see MongoDB here, whereas its competitors Cassandra and Redis are at position number 8 and 9. MongoDB is at position number 4, just below SQL Server. MongoDB is a very stable company. It is valued at $1.6 billion. You can see the related article over here in WSJ. This is the article mentioning it. Big data startup MongoDB is now valued at $1.6 billion. And finally, the most important one, that is Indeed.com job trends. This is the job trends for MongoDB in comparison with the other competitors, Cassandra, Neo4j, Couchbase, CouchDB. So you can see the job trend for MongoDB. It's increasing and it's way high above its competitors. The other 4 points are it's simple and very easy to learn. It's really interesting for a RDBMS guy or for a beginner. It's based on JSON and JavaScript, so learning is very easy and it's going to be very logical. And there are many good interesting concepts in MongoDB such as GRIDFS, sharding and aggregation. These 3 are very interesting chapters. We'll be seeing about this later. So these are the key points which shows why MongoDB is very important. The first one is because of the huge client list. Second one is its DB Engine's ranking. Third one is it's a stable company valued at $1.6 billion. Fourth one is Indeed.com job trends. In addition to that, we have seen 4 other points which are also important.